my name is Sarah Tilton and I'm a customer service representative here at Osborne Wood Products. Today's video, we're going to be showing you how to put together one of our new rustic plank tabletop kits. We have several of these kits available in varying sizes, depending on whether you want to seat 2, 4, 6, or more people at your dining room table, or if you want to just build a coffee table or something a little bit smaller than that. Today's video is actually part 1 of a 2-part series. We're just going to be putting the tabletop together today, and in the next video, we're going to be putting the base on. One thing to note about our rustic plank tabletop kits is that you're going to get planks in a variety of different widths. Some are going to be a little bit thicker, and some are going to be a little bit thinner, and that's okay. What you want to do before you start assembling your tabletop is lay them out to make sure, first off, that all of the pocket holes and dowel holes line up. And then you'll want to make sure you have them lined up so that you don't have all of your narrower boards together or all of your thicker boards together. You'll want a nice distribution between the sizes so that you don't have more on one side and less on the other. Now, there are 3 things that you're going to need to put together this tabletop kit. Included in your kit, you're going to get all of the necessary screws and wood dowels, and then you're just going to need a screwdriver. It's important to note that you don't need any kind of glue or clamps or any other tools for this, just your trusty screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do when you line everything up is make sure that you have your pocket holes this side up so that you can make sure that everything lines up. You'll also be getting one board that does not have pocket holes on either side, and that's going to be your end board. Now, we already have everything lined up, but when you do line everything up, you'll also want to take everything, put it up on its end, and make sure that all of the wood dowel holes line up as well. Now, to get started, the first thing you want to do is take your dowels and insert them into the holes here. And then you are going to line up your boards just like this. Make sure that your dowel holes line up. They should slide right into place with just a little bit of coercing. And then you're just going to do that for the rest of the boards. Once you have all of your dowels installed and all of your planks joined together, the next step is going to be to screw the planks together using the supplied screws and the pocket holes that come pre-drilled. And we're done. So in about 10 minutes, and with nothing more than some screws, some wood dowels, and a screwdriver, we've got a nice new wood tabletop. The best part about these tabletops is that because they do ship in individual planks rather than in a fully assembled and glued together top, is that you can save money on shipping because they come in a much smaller box size generally. So be sure that you come back and join us next time for part 2, where we're going to put a table base onto this tabletop and we're going to create a full table.